Why does my Samsung phone screen keep going black? Sometimes your Samsung phone might get stuck on a black screen due to a system glitch, app bug, or a hardware issue, which may result in a screen not responding. Unless there is a serious hardware issue, the problem might be solved by one of the following methods. A restart can fix almost any kind of issue in a phone. Since the normal restart option isn't available, you have to go for a forced restart. Depending on your phone model, you may have to press some key combinations like the power button, home button and the volume up or down button, the power button and the home button, or just the power button until the phone turns off completely. When the phone is turned off, restart the phone and it should repair some critical system problems. If your phone has a removable battery, try to remove and reattach the battery and turn the phone on. This might cure any hidden problems or a temporary system overload. But in case your phone doesn't have a removable battery, you have to try the other methods. If the problem is caused by a recently installed app, restart your phone into safe mode and uninstall the problematic app to avoid future blackout scenarios. If these methods don't solve the black screen issue, migrate to some more advanced methods. When the previous methods fail, you need to turn to a more sophisticated and reliable solution, and the best in this case is the Ultiphone Android System Repair tool. This software aims to solve more than 150 Android system related issues. Download and install this software to the PC and connect your phone that is in the black screen to the computer with a USB cable. Firstly, you can clear the system cache to get rid of the black screen. Select one click to clear system cache on the main screen and wait till the software clears the cache data on your device. Once the process is complete, wait till your phone restarts and you can use your phone once again. If the black screen exists, you have to use the Repair Android System option in the Ultiphone Android System Repair. This will solve the Android black screen no matter what the cause is. It is worth mentioning that the feature currently supports Samsung phones only. Step 1. Launch the software and connect your device to the computer via USB. Step 2. Click on Repair Android System and press the Repair Now button to begin the process. Step 3. Select the correct device information to proceed. Make sure you enter the right information or you may break your phone. Once the information is selected, click on Next. Step 4. The software will download the right firmware package for your device. Once the download is complete, click on Repair Now. It automatically starts installing the downloaded firmware. Step 5. Once the process is complete, the phone will restart and you will be able to use it once again. So, in this video we shared how to get your Android phone out of the black screen. Ultiphone Android System Repair is the recommended third-party tool to solve Android black screen when the common tricks fail. Thanks for watching. If this video is helpful for you, please leave your comments. Subscribe to this channel for more tips.